सर, काफी परेशान से लग रहे हो।
आपको तो पता है मैं एक प्रोजेक्ट पे काम कर रहा हूँ, बट एक इशू है।
क्यों, क्या हुआ?
आपको तो पता है ना, मैं डीएनए एनालिसिस और म्यूटेशन पे काम कर रहा हूँ, बट सारे सॉफ्टवेयर्स फॉरेन के हैं और एक्सपेंसिव है, इंडिया में अवेलेबल नहीं है।
हाँ, बात तो सही कह रहे हो।
अब
अब
क्या
क्या
कर
कर
सकते
सकते
हैं?
हैं?
A few moments later.
अब तुम्हें टेंशन लेने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है। एक नया सॉफ्टवेयर आ रहा है, नहीं आ चुका है, जेनस्कोप।
जेनस्कोप? जेनस्कोप क्या है?
स्वागत है आपका। हम बताते हैं क्या है जेनस्कोप।
अब हम समझेंगे जेनस्कोप का रियल वर्ल्ड यूज केस थ्रू एग्जांपल। लेट्स से देयर इज़ अ पेशेंट, देयर आर टू पेशेंट हु वेंट टू डॉक्टर एंड उन्होंने बोला लाइक हमारी फैमिली में हम हमारी मदर को एंड अदर रिलेटिव्स को ब्रेस्ट कैंसर था, तो हमें ये पता करना है कि हमें ब्रेस्ट कैंसर का रिस्क है या नहीं। तो डॉक्टर उनका सलाइवा और ब्लड सैंपल टेस्ट लेंगे एंड देन लैब भेजेंगे रिपोर्ट्स के लिए। देन लैब से रिपोर्ट आएगी समथिंग लाइक दिस, as you can see, like sample lab report 1 RIA gene variant change, that this position A से T में change हुआ है, chromosome name and then same for patient 2. Now after getting the report, doctor or patient anyone from them हमारे सॉफ्टवेयर में आएंगे, देन जीनोम असेंबली सेलेक्ट करेंगे लाइक द लेटेस्ट which is best is GRHCH this one, and then they will search gene BRCA1 which is responsible for breast cancer, or they can either search by chromosomes like CHR17, but now we will search by gene name like BRCA1 example. Now we have to choose this one which is responsible for writing or repairing of this gene. After selecting this will open an entire in-depth information page about this gene. Now we will see the lab report. So here at 43093,897 position, change is A from T. Now we will same do change in our software and see whether the change is harmful or safe. 43093. First we will select the sequence. Let's say 430. Okay, so like now we can see the sequence of first report 43093. Okay, it is like downside, upside little. Yeah, so here it is 43093,897. okay, so this one A, and change was from A to T. Okay, so we will do same change T. Now click analyze variant. This will show whether the change over the period was harmful or safe, and she will be known whether she have the risk of breast cancer or not. This will take a minute. Just take just little more time. See, okay, the report has came and it is likely Benign. Okay, so she is safe from breast cancer and the confidence bar is 84%. Now if we will do same with second report.
I have built the entire user interface and user experiences from designing to performance. There are 5 designing concepts behind the Zenscope. First, making easy for everyone to use it seamlessly. Second, proper alignment. Third, coordination between different parts. Fourth, branding. Fifth, all devices responsive design, whether you can use it in PC, laptop and phone. At last, this software design is well in the way so that toddler to an old age person can use it. Thank you.
Hello, I have done these things for Zenscope. First, team registration. Second, team name decide. Third, team management. And last and fourth, document related all works. Thank you.
Hey, I have done this thing for Zenscope. Editing, videography and graphic designing. Thank you so much.
My name is Ankush Shah and I am 17.
I am Rutvik, I am 16.
Myself Hardik, I am 16.
Myself Himanshu, I am 16.
My name is Nishant and my age is 17.
We are 11th grade science stream fellows of Government Model Sanskriti Senior Secondary School located at Gurugram, Haryana, Sushant Lok 1.
And we are the team Heaven Futures developers of Zenscope,
an AI DNA variant analysis software. Thank you for your valuable time. If you want to test our software, it is publicly available at www.zenscope.in. Thank you.